Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from a long video I just finished to record, a 67 minutes video recorded for my subscribers, along with 50 charts that I sent them. This is a very comprehensive view of what happened in the past week in many markets, and you will see me introducing those markets. Enough to prepare you for several really very good trading setups that I've seen on the close on Friday. And hope you enjoy the clip. If you like further information about my service, my website, please stay on. After the clip ends, I'll talk to you again. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Before going through with the charts, I want to make just a few general observations here. I think stocks are vulnerable for a sharp correction, and I'm no longer bullish. I would say at least for the next several months. I am actually bearish. I'm short. I also see an echo in the currencies for the action that I predict here in the stocks, and that is the euro. The euro is definitely, in my opinion, going lower now, and dollar coming back, dollar coming strong. I see also weakness possibly in the precious metals, and that is already underway. We have seen in the last few days is reflected in the strong negative performance in copper. So all in all, I'm turning actually pretty bearish on the situation with the stocks. Bonds are now due for a big correction. Quite, we have seen already in the last 2 days that they held ground and they are beginning to recover. So that is the same old song. Bonds rising, stocks falling. The euro falling together with the stocks and the dollar rising. So I think that's what is likely to take place in the next several months. And as I'm monitoring the market very closely, of course, I will update you as soon as this trend that I think is just about beginning will come to an end. Even if we get a rally in the stock market, I don't really give it more than big maximum more than 7 to 10 trading days, and I don't think it's going to be a spectacular rally. And in fact, there are quite a few markets that are already looking down in the CS way. If you decide to continue to trade the stock market from the long side, I suggest you be extremely careful. Okay, here are the charts that I've got. In this video, I've got the euro US dollar currency pair, the dollar index, US dollar Swiss franc, US dollar Japanese yen, Australian dollar US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar, high grade copper, gold, euro bond, UST bond, March 2011 contract, the long yields March 2011 contract. I've got Brent crude, heating oil, natural gas, that's the February 2011 contract, natural gas long-term chart. And then I have the TSX, Dow, SPX, DAX, CAC 40, and a very interesting situation in Italy's MIB index. Okay, natural gas. And I had a look at it 2-3 days ago. And I'm sorry that I just had a look, because I should have really traded it, because I don't follow it very actively. I do follow it from time to time, but not as actively as, for example, the currencies, etc. There's a limit to how many markets I can follow every day very actively. But I had a miss, and that's how it is in the life of trading. You have misses all the time. But that actually encouraged me to have a deeper look here to see what's going on with natural gas. That is a tradable contract, February 2011, and I'm having a shot at this possible interpretation. That's an A, that's a B, that's a 1, 2, 3, 4. We are down. We're going down in the fifth, to complete this C, and that's going back into 2007. Let's have a look, close look here. That's a B ending here as a triangle, and that gives us 1, 2. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fairly clear. That's a fairly clear 4, 3. That's my interpretation for now. And Let's take a clear look here. That's an A, B, C, D, E terminated here. Took almost 6 weeks or so, and I think the plunge started. That is clearly impulsive. Let me take you to the 60 minutes and to my famous miss. um, Here we go. That looks like a 1 2 1 2 3 4, and I was right here and wondering. So I should not have really wondered. Should have sold. So that is a 1 2 1 2 3 4 3. I think that's a 5. That's a 3. I think further correction here, and I think it is likely, very likely, to continue lower. That is overall looking very bearish, this market. Let's take a look at the long-term, very long-term picture of natural gas. Again, I want to re-emphasize this is not an extremely firm wave count. The reason I want to discuss it with you here, because I want to show you that natural gas can still go lower. It has been a lot lower before, so don't be surprised. We are now at 4. This contract actually registered under 2. It registered something like 1.7 or something. I can actually give you the right, the exact level. 1.62. Okay, 1.62. There were even lower lows here. No, that's 1.63. This one was 1.74. In short, the chart that goes back here to 1996 actually registered more than 50% drop from the level where it is right now. So this contract is still looking very bearish, and you can see it is capped under overhead resistance here now for a long time. It hasn't managed to make any headway. We had a surge, but came down looking fairly miserable as far as I'm concerned, and trying to tie it in, for example, with the February contract that I just discussed. I have a wave count here to suggest to you, and again, take it as an idea. It's not an extremely high probability, but it is a good idea, and we are submitting it to Mr. Market to see if we get an approval or not, and it is interesting to see how it develops. So that's huge rally that we had here, came out of the fourth wave. You see, triangle fourth wave. That's a 1 2 3 4 5, and that is a multi-year correction, with this being an A, that's a B, and we're coming down in the C. It's possible that in fact we had here an A, B, C, that's an X, and that is a different subdivision here. I am fully open to this suggestion that we have here in fact an X, and this is another ABC. What I am trying to emphasize in this video, let me show you. Let's go to the weekly, take it step by step. I think we have a clear case here of a triangle. Do you see this? This is a weekly scale going back to January 2009. I think this is a clear case of a triangle. Here you are. Clear case of a triangle, and we had a smash down, beginning of the slump of the fifth leg. I'm taking it in fact as a triangle fourth wave, with this being a 1 2. That's a 3, that's a 4, and it is looking lower, as you can see. Clear cut weekly close, very bearish. That's being an A, that's a B, that's a C, looking down, and that will fit with the time scale of the contract that I've shown you. Let's have a look at the daily, and you can see the logic behind it. That's one, that's A, B, C, coming down. I want to re-emphasize that you should not take your entry and exit point from the continuous chart. You should only focus on the specific contract that you are trading. There can be confusing situations between a very long-term continuous chart and specific contracts. So to avoid all confusion, only deal with a specific contract. Take the big continuous chart as a background to where we are, how things were in the past, etc. But for specific trading, please focus only on on a specific chart that you're trading. Hello again. If you like some further information about my website, my services, all you have to do is click on home at the page which you are right now. That takes you to the home page of my website. I have a page on Twitter. You are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that I run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you'd like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word by all means. I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly it's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions. That's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.